Alright guys, we're back with the wagon, the Wagyu. Bobby left off yesterday with beginning to weld the exhaust. I have it over here. So we're gonna shorten this about an inch, so while he's off doing other things, I'm cutting out an inch, like from there to there, to bring this in closer for clearance reasons and other things like that. So yeah, and then we're gonna get, what did I do? The straight. We'll figure out the straight, how much we need to cut off from that to get to the X pipe, and then after the X pipe, I'm not sure. That's gonna be up to him. But yeah, right now we're just trying to get to the X pipe, and I'm going to be cutting this here real soon. So by the time you see me again, I should have this done. Later.
All right. So I know that's close to the drive shaft right now. That's just kind of helping with alignment. That will be obviously lower, and the drive shaft will never be at this angle when we're going down the road. So between
unless
the
he
two,
goes airborne and plays Dukes of Hazzard.
oh yeah, but
I don't think he's that kind of guy.
well, he might. Anyway, so there's our X pipe and our passenger side exhaust from the collector. It's all routed. It's nice in there. It's ready to go. I'm gonna build our driver's side from the collector, which will be a bit more of a challenge. Get it in here. And then once I get those kind of mocked up, I can mark them and go from there. Mark it and tack it, and then continue on back here and get back to where our mufflers are gonna be. And then I can get us dimensions and offsets on that. So we kind of know about where we're gonna end up, and then we can figure out what mufflers we're gonna get and then how we're gonna route it. But it's coming along, it's looking good. It's getting there.